guys, bless up. Alright, it's your boy Teza Boy. Today is Sunday, May 24th, and yeah, I'm doing a little DIY touch up to the Lexus is250. It's a tiny little DIY, nothing too biggie. We're gonna be replacing the bulbs on the side mirrors, switch them out to LEDs. Yeah, so you know the halogen bulbs are a bit yellowish and dingy, and a lot of persons like to go LED because LED is what is kind of taking the market right now. Alright, so basically I'm gonna get straight into it, and I will show you guys the detailed process, so you can go ahead and do this by yourself at home, because that's where I'm at right now doing this. So stay tuned. Alright people, so this is the feature I'm talking about. They call it Puddle light. It's a feature that lights up anytime the sensor from the key comes close after it has been locked. So it kind of like welcomes you, the driver, when you get anywhere close to the vehicle, and it's one of the features that I like about this car. So these are the little snap-in LEDs that I'm going to be replacing. I've replaced to LEDs. Alright, so the first thing you want to do, guys, is go ahead and push this back all the way up. For this job, you're going to need a flat mount screwdriver, and so it is kind of hooked into a little groove up top here, and then it's snapped into place at the bottom. So I want to remove it so you can see. Just be gentle and see how best you can remove it. There we go. Alright, so these two little clips down here is what made it so hard to come off, and it snapped into place down here, and these two at the top here slides up into this. So this particular car comes with the feature of the heated mirrors, so you can just take your time and remove these two plug-ons right here. For star point, or you're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver as well to remove these, to get to the puddle bulbs back here. You can actually see it right here, but it's behind the cover. So these screws are holding the actual cover around the other part here. So you have to go ahead and remove those. Sure not to lose the screws. Yeah, butterfingers, but I have all four. Put them down safely. Alright, so you can use the flathead right here to pry this little part up, and use the other hand to kind of ease it off. It's basically the cover around this side. There are some clips behind here, just be gentle. Don't want to break anything. And it comes apart like so. Alright, get that out of the way, and alright, so there you go. Alright, so basically this is what we're after, and These clips are normally very easy to break, so you can just use your flathead and kind of pry it up a bit and remove the plug on. There we go. Alright, so I'm gonna clean this up, and it's very easy to remove. All you have to do is turn, this is what, anti-clockwise, and release. Alright, so the LED bulb looks like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this so you guys can see. Anti-clockwise, remove, and there are pushings. What you want to do is to just go ahead and be gentle. Alright, there you go. Alright, so there's a little trick to this. You don't want to fit all this up and the bulb is turned the opposite direction, so the contact has to be made in the right sequence. So you can just go ahead and plug this on till you hear it clicks, and just lock the car. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this for a bit so you guys can see. Alright, so lock the car, and you want to get your keys. Alright, so you can walk away from the vehicle, remove the sensor, and as soon as you come close, it's supposed to light up. There we go. There we go. Alright, so we're in business, guys. Alright, so we should be able to go ahead and fit this back up. If you don't remember which way it was, you can just use the cover as a guide, and you can know which way it was. Right, so it's gonna go into place like this. So this would go into place, and then to lock it, it's clockwise. Right, to lock it back into place. You see how best you can get this back into place. Alright, so as soon as you hear that snap, you know you're back in business. Everything is set. Alright, so once again, to get a better leverage, you can push this out. I am right-handed, so it's a bit awkward to do it from that end. Alright, so it's time to put your mirror back into place. Alright guys, now for the tricky part. Alright, so as I said, there are two clips at the top that goes up into the roof part of here, these two, and it goes up, and then these two here snaps into place down here. So there's a little trick to doing this because you don't want to break it. Alright, so push the top here all the way up, and you can just get underneath here. Alright, so when these are into place, so what you can do is use your flat mount and put it behind the little wide part that the mirror clip snaps into. You can use your cloth to wrap it and just apply a bit of pressure to that part and just kind of give it a little pressure. When you hear it snaps, you know you're in. There we go. And you can just mess around with it a little bit. Just kind of tap it a bit to make sure it's in and not going anywhere. And just to make sure, I'm gonna show you another trick, guys. Alright, so get in the car, get the ignition on. If you have the same model vehicle, you can just tap the start button twice without touching the pedal, the brake pedal. And let's go ahead, set your mirrors to, I'm doing the right side now, so just snap it to the right and go ahead, and you can see it works and it's not going anywhere. So you just go ahead and line up your mirrors to back to the position that you are comfortable, and that's it. Alright guys, so as promised, I recorded a footage of how the car looks in the night with the puddle lamps on the side mirrors, and as you can see, it looks really white and nice. Well, I had on my flashlight though, and the mirrors were closed in, so I mean it would not normally light up the ground way brighter. So you can try, it's a good mod.